Hey, what's good? Prashil here with my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy, let's set that aside. Hey, what's good guys? Prashil here with my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This is the 40mm version, so let's get straight into it. And there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, 40mm in black. And I gotta say, right off the bat, I'm really digging this all black version. I really like the matte black bezels, as well as the matte black band with the gloss black panel. And obviously the back is also gloss black with your sensors here. And I really dig this little red accent color here on the power button. I think the red definitely pops, especially on this matte black frame. And I gotta say, I am a fan of the 40mm size. I think it'll definitely look good on my wrist. I have pretty skinny wrists anyway, but yeah, I think it'll definitely look pretty good. In fact, let's give it a shot. So this is what it looks like on my wrist, and I gotta say, it's got a good fit. I really dig this band. And yeah, it doesn't really protrude too much off of my wrist. I think it looks pretty damn good and really clean. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Tune in for my review. But till then, I'll catch you in the next one.